Sitting on the front porch, swinging while the sun's scorching. Lord, it gotta be north of 90 degrees. In the shade laid up, daydreaming and leaning. Grass blades greening while I'm scheming up stuff. I'm patiently awaiting while I'm lost in elevation. It's cause for celebration if it don't cost too much. Too good to be the truth, too proven to be effective. And I can't wait to see you again. Something new, something old, something bought, something sold, something to be said of the things we can't see. Sometimes life is well and good, sometimes it's pain and sorrow. Take it day by day by day by day, tailgating for tomorrow. Me, Lucille, you had me with the feel for a moment in time, in a way you always will. And I'm counting the days till we float into space, stroll through the gates in a loving embrace, loving and hate, but it wasn't the case. And I can't wait to see how this ends. Something new, something old, something bought, something sold, something to be said of the things we can't see. Sometimes life is well and good, sometimes it's pain and sorrow. Take it day by day by day by day, tailgate for tomorrow.
The light is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. We could rent a room and watch the stars dance round the moon. Fall asleep to the sounds of the sea. With you right by my side, it's such a sweet life. Escape this time with me.